Yo, look what we got. We got your boy Scrap, man. Look at him. Yeah. He finally showed up. We found him, man. He was hiding in the woods behind the house.
Yeah.
Yeah, so.
I came out. I was taking it. Yeah.
Yeah, he was taking it. Yeah, you heard him. But yeah, so today, we're working on this shit right here, which has been a minute. I haven't done nothing to it. But since we got rid of the Civic that was in the back, the black coupe, I took some parts from it. So I took all the harness for the door and the lock, because I also used the steering column from that. So I want to make sure that key works on the door also. So I took the whole thing to replace that with. So today we're going to install that. I can untangle it there and set out the box. But yeah, so we got everything. So I'm putting all that. Plus, that was an EX, so I know it had power windows and everything. And this one, I don't know if they installed everything on there how it should be. So I'm gonna make sure I put the harness that I know works on this one. But yeah, we'll go from there. All right, so we're gonna put a pause to the car stuff real quick. So we're gonna focus on this man right there. This is Scrap. I know some of y'all been asking about him and requesting a few things. So I feel it's my job to let y'all know this. Scrap used to be a dancer back in the day.
Yeah, right. Go with that.
Before he got into all this car stuff.
Yeah, right.
So
Always been about this car stuff.
huh?
Always been about this car.
Man, you gonna let me tell the people something about your walk?
Because it's all bullshit.
Nah, man. Hey, we all got past, man. And some of it we regret it. And some we don't.
It's a fairy tale he trying to tell.
So he used to go by the name Scrapadella.
Yeah, Scrapalicious. I thought it was Scrapalicious. Not Scrapalicious.
Oh, see, look. Oh, my bad. He corrected me. Scrapalicious.
Oh, you got you baited me into that one.
Nah, but yeah, so, you know what I mean? Just so y'all get acquainted with Scrap, you know what I mean? But yeah. So if y'all see him twerking somewhere around the garage, I told him to stop that shit, but I can't help it if he does. But yeah, now back to the regular scheduled programming. We got the driver's side done, so all this is the new stuff from the black Civic that was outside. Also the harness and everything, the little tweeter, the wire for that. We still got to put the door panels and everything. We finishing up that side. We didn't do the harness on that yet. The only issue we having right now is with the lock. So it might be that I have you can't see it in there, that little green looking thing. The key is flipped probably 180 upside down. So that might be the problem. So I'm gonna flip that back over the other way and then see. But yeah. So we keep going. All right, so Pete, we got locks. It opens. Where's the key? Let's grab the key. All right, so let's go. Now it's locked. Unlocked, and we're good to go. And both sides work the same. So, but yeah. All right, so we're gonna call it a day on this one. Would you tell him, Scrap?
We got more to do.
All right, catch you on the next one.